Hi everyone, it's Laura the Beauty Buster, and do you have maskne? That is actually a term now, so now we have to address it. And since skin is what I do, I'm here to help you with your maskne. I have 3 different kits available depending on how bad you have it. So level 1 is obviously, it's going to help resolve some of the little minor breakouts, redness, irritation, little flaking, dehydration, or anything else that you might have going on in this area. It's not horrible, it's not anything that a little concealer can't hide. That would be level 1. Level 2 is going to be more pimples, more redness, more irritation, a little bit more chronic, and deeper pimples. Sometimes they could be more painful. And level 3 is where you are definitely having chronic issues in this area. You've got deeper pimples. Your skin never gets a chance to heal because you might be wearing that mask all day, every day. So your skin never really gets to dry out. You've got redness, irritation, bumps, potentially bruising on depending on the kind of mask you're wearing, and it's just really something that concealer can't control anymore and can't hide. And we definitely don't want you to scar, and we don't want you to get hyperpigmentation, and you might be getting some post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation going on. So that would be level 3 for sure. So just give me a call, 973-634-1077. You can text me. And if you're not a current client of mine, we can definitely do a WhatsApp video call. And so I can take a look at your skin and say, all right, you're going to be level 1, 2, or 3. They're pretty clear, and you know your skin and you know how it's reacting. Very, very simple to use. And these are products you can take with you during, if you're wearing a mask all day to work and on vacation. Very simple, easy. So just give me a call, and hopefully we can get you set up and get your skin back to glowing.